Alright, so welcome back, guys. It's a new day. Alright, so let's see what we have for the markets today. Okay, see what we have. So I just start from the 1 hour basically. We have about 4 minutes to market open, and let's see what we have. Okay, see, I'm seeing some zones here. Okay, this is so I'll use the horizontal line today. We have a level here. See, we also do have a level here. I know why. Yeah. Save. Okay. Yeah, so we have some buyers which were at this levels, and when price broke, sellers started coming into the market there. So, and let's see what else we have. Okay, we have this level here. We have that level there where buyers were at, and then let's just go to the 15. Let's just see what we have for the 15. We have about 2 minutes to market open. Okay, on the 15, I'm seeing some zones actually. Seeing a good area here. Because at this eye, there were buyers. So if we can see a break, then that'll be good. Even here. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll just keep it like that. I guess I will just keep it like that. If I was to draw the same levels here, this would be it on trading view. This is what I drew. Yeah. This level here. Okay, so we have about 10 seconds to market open. Okay. We have a strong level of buyers here. If we start to break, yeah, I'm selling right there. We started breaking off of that level. We started breaking off of that level. So I'm taking my sell trade there. Sellers really came into the market. If buyers were really at this level, I wouldn't have seen a break below this level. And below this level, I'm seeing some sellers here. So ideally, price should keep pushing to the downside. Yeah, so I'll target here as my first take profit. Then stops to break even. Stops is at this high. That's a 70-point stop loss right there. And then the sellers really want to keep pushing, then we can target these lows here. Oh, that's a really good push, to be honest. That's a good push right there. Let's just get a little bit TP. We're so close. TP1. No way we're about to edge that, but I'm gonna keep it. Let's just see what happens, bro. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so that's TP1 there. Hit. Putting my stops to break even. So it's a risk-free trade basically. So this was what I did. This is what I'm doing. Orders. Let me quickly type this so you guys see this. So okay. So this is what we're doing. Going for a 1-to-1. Price. Let's see if price can go for a 1-to-2. Let's see if we can get that 1-to-2. We have buyers here, so I want to see sellers keep pushing. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Yeah. So this is basically like what I took. We've gone for a 1-to-1 already. Yeah. So yeah. Let's just see what price wants to do though. Yeah, I like the fact that we're going below this level, because there were actually sellers at this level. So I don't want to see buyers coming into the market. So since I don't want to see price get to this level, I don't know. I wanted to put my stops at that level, but let me just let price do its thing, to be honest. If you guys were wondering, the broker I am using is Liquid Brokers. So yeah, I am trading directly from the Liquid Brokers platform. So sometimes I hardly even use trading views most of the times. Yeah. So let me just draw out that level, which I said horizontal array. Yeah, so at this level, let's just say right here, there were sellers. I like the fact that we're staying below that level. So I can most likely put my stops to this level too. Yeah, so my stops is at this level. I know there are sellers, so we're gonna keep pushing. Yeah, and by the way, there is a new Discord group which I have. It's the Vault family. The link is in the description below. If you guys want to join, you can join. I haven't started streaming live yet, like showing you guys my live trades live on the recordings, but I'm gonna start that on when I see members actually. So when you guys start joining in, then I can officially start doing it. So basically, you guys are gonna watch me trade live for free. Enter when I tell you when I'm entering, basically catching these types of trades. Yeah, so I like the fact that we're also close below this level. So we should definitely keep pushing to the downside. On that, if we don't keep pushing, if we start pushing above here, then we might be in some trouble. But okay. Alright. I really want to see people selling. I can see people selling here. So I don't want buyers to push past that level where they're sellers. But if we do though, it is what it is. Stops is at break even, so even though we get stopped, we're still in profit. don't see any buyers at this level except this levels below here. So until we reach those levels, and I might say, okay, buyers are in. But for now, nah. Like I said, as far as we're below this level, I want to see sellers keep pushing to the downside. And buyers are really trying to push, but they don't know that the sellers are at that level. Like, I don't even want to see price get to this level again. I do not want to see price get to that level. If truly sellers are really stronger at this level. Alright, that's good. I don't know what agent TP. I don't want to see price go above this level. So I'll put my stops right there. I don't want to see price go above this level. At least we had that push to the upside. Buyers tried. Like I said, there are sellers at this level. So if truly they are really sellers, I don't want to see price go above this level. Yeah. I'm sure we're less than a point close to TP. We're less than a point close to TP. Oh. That's about 2 pips close to TP. I don't know why we're really struggling at this level, bro. Like, buyers need to know that they are sellers at that level. They should stop buying. They need to stop buying, bro. Buyers need to stop buying. Because I know we have tons of sellers at that level. No, really. And boom. That was basically today's trade. That was TP hit. Yeah, that was TP hit right there. So, like I said, there were sellers at those levels. I don't know why we're still seeing buyers buyers and sellers fighting at that level. It was so clear that we had sellers at that level. So, let's see. Okay, this, oh, sure. So, this was where we took the trade from. And then we went for a 1 to 2. 1 to 1, closed half of my position, stops to break even. and then second TP got hit for 100 points. So we're able to catch 100 points today, which is really good, to be honest. We caught 100 points today on nasdaq. Well, man, it is what it is, man. That's actually good. Yeah, but let's see. Let me see if I can put it on the map on trading view. Yeah, so this is what we entered right here. Where is my, okay, my stops is at this high. We entered somewhere right here, I guess. Yeah, I don't even remember. Oh no. Yeah, so my stops was at this high. Yeah, because we had areas of seller. Like I said, that's why I put my stop loss where they are at, because I know that at this level, I know that if price goes back into this level, there are still sellers under this level, so we shouldn't get stopped out. That was why I put my stops right here. So because even though we enter this level, I still believe we shouldn't get stopped out because there are sellers at this level. So I don't just, like I said, even yesterday, I showed you guys yesterday's trade that I said I missed. Bro, this is a freaking, oh, it was 40 points, not 70 points. So this is a freaking like almost 50 points, almost a 50-point stop loss. But I still put my stop loss right there. Like I said, I don't care if it's a lot. As far as I know where my stop loss is, as far as I know that where my stop loss is at, if we get stopped out, then we're definitely going to the opposite direction. Because right here, if we start to break above this level, I know that buyers might start coming into the market. But here, we didn't push price. We didn't even go close to this level, showing that sellers were at this level. We ended up pushing straight down to the downside. And yeah, ended up catching the trade right here. Like I said, stops at those highs. And then, well, that wasn't where my stop loss was at. That's not where my TP. Yeah, somewhere right here. So first take profit got hit for 50 points, and then second take profit hit for about 100 plus point. Yeah, but yeah, that was okay. But yeah, that was basically today's trade. You guys can already seen it. Basically, like it's literally like this is literally just common sense, bro. If you guys can apply this, then it really changed the game for y'all. Well, yeah, that was basically the simple strategy. Like I said, if you guys want to start trading live with me, like taking the same trade I take, obviously I've not started it now because it's a new Discord. But as soon as I see more members coming into the Discord group, I'm definitely gonna start it. So you guys can join the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.